Want to kill me, you kill me. I don't want to work with you. I've already resigned, and that is it. I don't want to. I don't want to work with chairman. I've left you. I want you to leave me alone.
What is the issue exactly?
I even don't know. Every time chairman is following me with the police. Why?
How many times has he followed you so far?
Almost now 5 times. So whenever I see police, I see chairman, I must run. I don't know the reason.
Mr. Chairman, you are here. Exactly what is the issue?
I don't want to work with you. I have resigned.
Ask the police, not me.
But he's complaining it's you who is always tracking him down.
Every time I see chairman, I have to run. You always come with me, with the police. Wherever I see the chairman, I see the police, I have to run. Almost 5 times. And that is why I run now. I ran because I saw him with the police.
Mr. Chairman, he's accusing you that all the time you are arresting him.
Me. I have nothing. Let him answer.
But now why are you coming always? Why is it always chairman is following me with the police? Whenever I see the chairman, I see the police, I have to run.
Go and bring them back.
Okay. So is the issue the bike, Chairman?
No, you see, one, I don't want to enter into that. No, okay? No, I have nothing.
But you're taking his bike.
He's telling you he has resigned. Why is he still stealing motorcycle for the district? Help him, ask him.
But now why today in time picking the motorbike?
That is actually supposed to go and do the district work, service delivery. He has been with the bike for over 14 days.
After resigning?
After resigning. You see someone who resign, you resign and hand over everything. So you ask him.
If you're not stupid, you see, I have resigned. I told the cow that I will hand over everything on the first. Even the key for the office, I still have it with me. I will not hand over the key to you. I will hand over to the cow. You are not the accounting officer, chairman. Don't intimidate me. I will hand over the key to the cow, not you. You don't own any property and you are not accountable to any property in the district. I cannot.
Go to work for you?
No. Welcome back. Look at the tele. Gimma tika wacha. Anta ke kanyi. Tinyang gina ngo mono matika time. Kien wala ka riemo. Apenya ni kiriemo nga, ni kiriemo BALINGTON. Chio taman ni nga mo reng. Ki waju ni ki. Chi datang. Me cher ku. Now kita wan nen ba ka nen se na tie ki bal to BALINGTON ki bal ki jemi pagamente investigation block ki terry police ki police investigating ka ki cheru ki timo jemi mana ni charo officially kidi nana waya bet ki mala o we block eno giri we ko nyoru char pa wana chwe we ko gir ke tapti ko de
Avoid Claude Omona me kele report eno part Tele ne do inde na do la penya tie a chel kong mo kwa ni property machalo pire ge makimi me idok tichi ka che in resigning idwa ka wane ni na ma inde tiro ke teach en ni keje you ne ra di mo na ine dwa ka bot nga supervisor ni keje bot ka ma ka chala in la kansela
Emma tie mo ma que temo makele wich. Mi achiel waronge ni kai resigning ki office. E yebo gem maklone handover file. Handover file in yebo file ma megi ngome beda timone ket me beda timone kwere. Ki donc yupe nero mo mere chere e handing over file any chen. Ni ada in the well teacher. Jim wing me no ni, kiot me no ge kwere ti wai e yo mabe. E kwanyo e dwa bod jo mano mero go gam jim anone. Dong pangeyo I techiak pa local government handover tero kar malakwe. Amunyo chairman te ko ni ndo pa ni na para ngwen do karo. Ka dong ni na para ngwen o karo. What was the most appropriate thing? Ni na para ngwen o karo, you give a notice. ni nirma kuma endo karo nirma ki waji ene ma dong bena written notice no berutie ene dong you now involve the police iwai tika holding on to government property onyo tika holding on to public property ento chiaro ka yinyungare mona yinya kia bili chiaro ka yinyungare mona yinya kirmenero tika time video eni that does not warrant ni teach mirokiti kuma
manyo teach lok pa chairman LC5 lokati lok madagera nika in resigning mi redwak jimi may tiyo kere ento yo ma eno tema kere ki lemon woni delivery ma eno tiyo kere yo bedo raj enen grot bo waja te nika peka mo time police e bien tema mak ene pe ene dare bien kare mo ko la diet councilor ene so the Ginano Titime was not wrong, but the way it was done, you know, right.
Penyo office, ka ana we autichotin one low TV, I take a Jim Makemia, I take a cards, I take a national ID, again ID Mika Ngogani. Proper way ne, in Chabera Rio, I write Kagu Watanina, I should hand over on your teach don't pay, I charge him and one dwari, because it is their property. Mero yo keman lope kwede. Anton non ka gero timeba Emma. Kada tiro dwee mo ma don pa dwaro because the chances of abusing the same property is also very high.
Wak ngat mu le ko re we no miro ti
kere. Mu le ko arbe no miro kitim ngo miro ti ki genane. Ento ko beda ngene foot peke yer ngata miro le ko arne. Ento kira make yer ko ngata miro le ko arne when the council meeting is sitting.
But miro peke ko kon ye.
Now gina tim ema ki wajini ana ramo le ko an ka chala ana taka aki office ramo le ko chabera rio. Acha ne arba o mia chabera rio. In chabera rio eni no atika yupo file atika timu gena kuman atika tiya ko tij moko mate temane projects matika monitoring I will hand over all the things don't give matima yene handing office board nga be handing board cow be handing board chair
cow is the overall supervisor
exactly
who is the immediate supervisor
the supervisor is the chairman LC5 but the accounting ngat mamiu pir madigamente ngema pir bingo borre ene cow so in this scenario there's conflict of interest. Nyeri nero chalo chairman mero gam piri boreo. Ero ente wa enengeyo cow. But remember, these two are political elected leaders. So for them, they have all grounds to soil themselves. But at the end of the day, there is always a supervisor. Don't pangeyo how well they want this to be treated. But I think the way Mago handling is so lucrative. Yes. It's not the right thing.
It's not the right way. Bought is side by Chairman LC5. Kibera wa bought la dear councilor bere. Chao kena kadong tichido tu mada dai dwak jemi. Pede jem rak jem
when I saw Manero wrote Yusuf Adek because he's one of the most respected cultural leader actually. Manotika Lock definitely would tone down and listen to him. And everyone decided to just walk away from the king when he was making his deliberation. And sometimes watching it, what he war chakekwe, wafuni war kini, anki wachane war lonyo. Sometimes it's the only thing you have.
Tele iken chairman LC5 ki councilor me bungatira elokom pire mano ka councilor mir duakchen iyunge anti ko teach mamege resigning ki dog teach mabege